In this video, we're going to a remote hideaway with a very interesting story. This place dead ends in an area that very few people have heard of, much less seen. So it's exactly the type of place I like to ride to. I apologize in advance for the less than ideal audio. I was experimenting with two mics now to get better exhaust sound, and those levels still need a lot of work. So that's my bad. It's worth sticking with the video though, I think, since audio improves once we're off the bike. Hope you enjoy it.
Pretty sure, and I'll correct myself, but I'm pretty sure it was around 1780 is when they settled here and continued to use that cove as a church. Until this church up here was built around 1800 or a little after 1800. I think you can go either way. Lady of Sorrows. Straight ahead. Taking the scenic route, that's for sure, huh? This turns to dirt, which would be nice. I think we need to go into enduro mode, but see. So it's pretty cool to think, really, that people were walking this route in the late 1700s, early 1780s, to avoid being attacked by Spanish settlers. Were doing that to avoid being attacked by Apache, Indians. The Laguna Pueblo people, people were not part of that, and I don't know whether they just didn't have good relations, and I don't know what the deal was, but it was the Apache who were going after them, I guess. Would walk this way to a safe place. Almost there. smokes. This is it. Not too many videos of this place. That's why another reason I wanted to come out here and take a look at it. So, it says closed to non-residents, but I was told that it's actually not. But I don't know. Here and check it out. All right. Well, we are here. We're off the bike, and we're gonna walk up here. And I don't think it's very far of a walk. We shall see. Apparently, they want us to walk this way. Huh. Little turnstile. Pretty old school.
Yeah.
Wow. People came here initially, well, to hide out. And then they later came here to have church services. Well, they used to have occasional gatherings. I think maybe even for dances and things here, possibly. But you can feel the history. You feel it. So there's a natural spring. Nice and clear. A little algae on top.
That's
I'm not Catholic, but I know Mary when I see her. Wow. Some nice benches, stone benches set up here. Great Cove, man. Wow. Stay out of the weather for sure. I don't know if you can go farther back in there. Quite possible. Don't know any more of the history than besides the when the Spanish settlers were came here for refuge and to have church services. It seems like a place that the Native Americans would have come to. God, can't imagine that. No petroglyphs or anything like that. But this is it. Vitalis Church of the Hidden Cove. Might be one other name. It's shorter. Can't recall what it is, but very unique place for sure here in New Mexico. I underestimated New Mexico before we moved here. Didn't give it the credit it deserves. Admittedly, I don't like the politics here, but that's easy enough to forget when you're in an amazing place like this. And I've been having some tennis elbow issues, so I may put a little dab of this water on my elbow. Sure can't hurt. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. And now you can say you've been here too. See you next time.